Hi everyone, welcome back to BitLogic 10. My name is Alvin, and today we're going to be diving into Python dictionaries, a very important core Python concept. So first of all, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is basically a data structure that stores key value pairs. Each key is like a label, and the value is like the data assigned to it. So here's one way to think about it. The key is like a username or someone's name, and the value is like the username's score in a game, right? So both keys and values can be any type, strings, numbers, or even other lists. So first of all, creating dictionaries. How do you create a dictionary? Well, you can create a dictionary with using curly braces. Remember, lists. How do we create lists? We create lists with square brackets and tuples with parentheses. So dictionaries have curly braces, right? So here I made two dictionaries. The first one is empty. The second one has player scores. It's called player scores, and there's just two keys, two pairs, and the first key is Alvin. The second key is Jordan, and both of these keys have values. There's scores in a game, right? Now, if we want to like access a value in the dictionary, it's really simple. All we need to do is say print player scores Alvin, and this will let us see what my value is, right? So yes, it prints 1200. That's my score. Now, another thing we can do is check for checking keys in a dictionary, right? So I said print Alvin in player scores. This basically checks is Alvin in is Alvin a key in player scores the dictionary, and that should print true because I am there. And this one checks if Chris is a key in player scores, and that should return false because it's false. Yeah, see, true, false. So now how do we check the length? How do we check how many keys are in a dictionary? Right, we can just do print len. It's like a list or tuple, same thing, right? Just len and then the name of the dictionary. So that's print two. See, two, right? Now, what happens if you want to change or add a key or a value in the dictionary? Well, all you have to do is basically just write the key. So player scores, um, square bracket, Jordan, right? And then we enter the new value. That'd be 1050. Now, if we print his now if we print his score, we should get 1050. Yeah. So that's how we know it's updated. What happens if we want to add someone? If we want a player like a new, we add a new player like Taylor. Well, that's just it's almost the same thing. It's like the same thing as updating someone's score, but this time we just add a different name and different score. So now if we print the length of the score, the length of the dictionary, we should get 3. Yeah, because it's 3 players now. So now, how do you remove items in a dictionary? So now I made another dictionary. It's called animals. So the keys are dog and cat, and the values are bark and meow. So if we want to delete one of the keys, I'll just delete dog. Um, Then if I print it, we should only get one key value, and that's cat meow. So that's how you delete um, an item or a key value in a dictionary. The next part is looping through a dictionary. This basically is um, how we like see each key without its value in a loop, right? So it's gonna go through the whole dictionary and only print the keys, right? And it's gonna end with the and in between each of them there's gonna be a space. And Python usually gives us the key instead of the value. So if we print it, it should just give us apple banana and grape. Yeah, right. But there's also another way to do print the keys. That's not the only way. It's actually a much more simple way, right? Mm, right. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So now, if we look at this, and now we have dot keys. Before it was not dot keys. It was just for fruit and fruit colors, because that's automatically keys automatically come from that. But you can also say dot keys if you want to be safe. So now we're gonna print fruit, and it's the same thing. You should get the same result. See, banana, apple, banana, grape. Now, what if we don't want the keys and we just want the values? Well, this time we can just say value, right? Values instead of keys, and change fruit to color, right? Wait 1 second. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, we forgot to change this color. See, now if we do this, now it'll just print the values red, yellow, and purple instead of the keys. Now, what happens if we wanted to do both? If we want to do both, if we want to return both the keys and the values, we just write it like this. It'll be for fruit, comma color, and fruit colors dot items. So we use dot items instead of dot keys or dot values. And then we'll print fruit. We're basically assigning the fruit to fruit and assign the colors to color. So yeah, so you can see apple is red, banana yellow, grape is purple. So this is how you basically print both of the, like a pair, right? Both of them. Okay. So let's recap our video. So today we learned that dictionaries can store key value pairs, and they're mutable and very easy to modify. And we also learned that you can loop through the keys, values, or even both of them. And they're very perfect for organizing data like names, scores, or categories. So if you learned anything or something new in this Python dictionary tutorial, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for more notifications when more videos drop. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.